If you put it at a very basic level, you map empathy to help business stakeholders or yourself or your teammates empathize with the users. It's really as simple as that. People usually overthink and make it like we need to do empathy mapping, we need to do personas. That's BS. You don't need to do anything. If you lack empathy with your users, use empathy map. If you don't know who your users are, or your stakeholders don't know who your users are, or it's very hard to agree who you focus on, make a persona. It's as simple as that. In each project, I wouldn't almost do cookie cutter approach where you always do empathy maps, always do personas. Maybe certain projects is going to make more sense to do jobs to be done. Maybe in others it's just a proto personas. Maybe in others it's empathy maps. It's really up to you how you do that. But personally, from my experience, empathy maps, where it aided me most was to actually onboard business stakeholders and the core team that this is what users actually think, feel, and say. And then kind of just bringing common understanding and saying, we can now take this information and this is what users actually are, and we empathize with them, and we can make it actionable, maybe make a persona, maybe describe otherwise of what we're targeting, and knowing exactly what matters to the users on a deep level. So it's not just by proxy or just guessing, and as simple as that. It's just a tool. Think of it as just a tool, as a vessel to give a message and allow you to communicate with someone and agree and align on what to do next. It's as simple as that.